did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I drink these days because my health declines. Runny nose doing laps around them cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm super quiet because people are still sleeping. But today I have two classes. I have genetics and history and medicine, and they start at 10. I have about 20 minutes before class. But I just got ready. I don't know if I'm gonna change my outfit, but I did put some makeup on just to feel a little bit more put together. I'm just gonna vlog my entire first day today, so hope you guys enjoy.
For me, it's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome, just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
Okay, hi guys. So I'm currently in my second class and we're still trying to connect. We're using Blackboard Collaborate, like we're not using Zoom or like WebEx or anything, and it's been like almost 10 minutes. I also put on a hoodie because it was so cold. Hello everyone, so I just finished class. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I had genetics and a history class. They both went pretty good. I'm pretty excited to start my classes and be busy again. I don't know, both of my classes seem pretty interesting, so I'm pretty excited to start. My tripod low-key broke, so I actually just had to order a new tripod, so I'm pretty bummed about that. But I guess I'm pretty excited to get some like new equipment. For the rest of the day I might just do some homework because I do have some syllabus quizzes. So I have a video to finish editing, and so I'll just finish editing that today in the thumbnail, and hopefully I'll upload tomorrow. So pretty much my plan for the rest of the day.
Wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles.
Hello everyone. So after eating, me and my boyfriend just chilled for several hours after we mainly just watched TikToks and stuff and caught up on an anime. But as far as I can tell, I don't really have any homework to do. I could honestly just start preparing and studying for my classes, but I'm still in the process of getting back into getting productive and stuff. So I think for now I'm gonna just start editing because I do want to upload a video tomorrow.
Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, it's not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice. Yeah, my fam on my spine. Yeah, green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time, give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her, why you don't really need her.
My boyfriend made mac and cheese and we're gonna watch Ma tonight because neither of us has watched the movie, but that's his all for my first day of school. It's been pretty uneventful. Oh, my battery's about to die! We're just gonna eat and watch the movie tonight. That is really all for the first day of my school. It's quite uneventful just because it's syllabus week, so watch out for more interesting college vlogs. Stay safe, I love you all. Good night from both of us.
Good nighty.